I'm in a vacant home in Bountiful, Utah. The home is for sale. They have an offer. A home inspector came in and identified a little bit of mold. And let's go in here and I'll show you where the mold is. They have under this, it's a split entry, under the front stair, they have a sump pump. And then to the left of the sump pump here, they have some drywall that's had some water damage history and visible mold on the drywall. The rest of the home seems pretty clear and pretty clean. They've got a little bit of mold back there also. But the worst of it is here. It's unfortunate because they had a water damage event a year ago, hired a restoration company that was sent in by their insurance, and he described what they did, and they literally cut and removed drywall off the bottom of a lot of walls in the process of drying things out. But unfortunately, they didn't remove the drywall with the mold on it. They saved and dried out the mold. Here a year later, he's selling the home, and now it's an issue and a problem for them, and they'll need to deal with it at a greater expense.